Ropes Organization Walcott Foundation Indian Trust Special Coaching to 8th, 9th and 10th Classes Digital Virtual Learning Bangaru Palimani Rugangavar from Pedapanjani by Raid Dipulli Mandal.
Chairman Dhanse Director Drive Sri Lata.
Hi everyone, this is Sukumar from Ropes Organization. So today we will discuss about the how to multiply, how to divide, how to find the product of the irrational numbers. We will see. Okay, first we will discuss about the formulas in the 9th class. Okay, in the 9th class first chapter we will see this one. Okay, right, thank you. See, now here we will see root AB is equal to root A into root B. Root A into root B. Okay. In the same way, first one. Second, root of A by B is equal to root A divided by root B. Root B. Next, third formula, root A plus root B into root A minus root B is equal to root A is equal to root A square minus root B square. Square root cancel, square root cancel. Finally, A minus B it will get. Okay, this is the method. Next, fourth formula to say A plus root B into A minus root B is equal to A square minus root B whole square. Square root cancel, then A square minus B. A square minus B. Next, root A plus B into root A minus B is equal to root A whole square minus B square. Square root cancel, A minus B square it will get. Next, root A plus root B, root A plus root B into root C plus root D. Root C plus root D is equal to root AC, A into C, plus root BC plus root AD plus root B into D, root BD. So this is the product of this one. Okay now, right. Next, in the same way, see, root A plus root B whole square is equal to root A plus root B whole square is equal to, see here, root A square plus root B square plus 2 into root A into root B. Root 2 square root 2. So A plus B plus 2 root, we discussed about that. Root A into root B, root AB. 2 root AB. 2 root AB. Okay. In the same way, how to find? Root A minus root B whole square is equal to root A whole square plus root B whole square minus 2 root A into root B. So square root 2, square root 2. So A plus B minus 2 root AB. These are the formulas, Searle's formulas or irrational formulas. Okay now. So by using these formulas, how to solve the problems, that we will see. Okay. See here in this one, here in our exercise 1.4, they given this. Now we will solve this. Okay, right. Next, if we see this one, based on this, how to solve the Searle's irrational problems. Okay now. See, in the exercise 1.4, classify the following rational numbers as rational or irrational. Rational or irrational. That's we have to classify. See, first one. If you observe this, see, exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4. In exercise 1.4, classify the following rational numbers, rational or irrational. Exercise 1.4. See, first they given 2 minus root 5. 2 minus root 5. Directly we can say, so it is irrational, paka. So it is irrational. Second, 3 plus root 23. Directly it is irrational. So it is irrational. Next, third one. See, here again they given root 23. So both cancel after, they'll get 3. It is rational. Okay, next third one. See, 2 root 7 by 7 root 7. Root 7 cancel, 2 by 7. So it is rational. But it is non-terminating recurring decimals. Okay, na? So it is also rational. Next, fourth one, 1 by root 2. Directly we can say it is irrational. Next, fifth one, 2 pi. We know pi is irrational number, then 2 pi is irrational. Okay, so this is the method how to solve the irrationals. Okay, now next another one. See, if we observe this one, some more example problems. If we observe this, see here, second question. See, simplify the following expressions. Okay, 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. So now it is in the form of, see, a plus root b into a c plus into a plus root b into c plus root d. Like this it is there. Now we can solve it. See here, 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2 is equal to 3 2s are 6 plus 2 into root 3, 2 root 3 plus 3 into root 2, 3 root 2 plus root 3 into root 2. Then we can write, see here, 6 plus 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 3 into 2. Then we can write 6 plus 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 6. This is the simplification of 3 plus root 3 and 2 plus root 2. Okay, now next, see in this one, second, see 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. Here we know one formula, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So in this way we can write a square minus b square. square root 2, then 3 square value 9 minus root cancel 3, 9 minus 3 6. This is the product of 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. Okay, next another one, see third one, root 5 plus root 2 whole square. Now we can write, see, a plus b whole square is equal to, otherwise search formulas, see, root a plus root b whole square is equal to a plus 2 root ab plus b. Okay, now in this way, root 5 plus root 2 whole square is equal to 5 plus 2 into root of 5 into 2 plus b. B means in the place of b, here 2 is there. Okay, 2. Now 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 root 5 2s are 10. This is the product of root 5 plus root 2 whole square. Okay, next fourth one. So if you observe this, 5 minus root 2 into 5 root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. So it is also in the form of root a minus root b into root a plus root b is equal to a minus b. So here also in the place of a 5 minus in the place of b 2, then 5 minus 2 3. This is the product of the root 5 into root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. Okay, right. Next, see another problems. See another problems. Next, see, represent rationalize the denominators. Rationalize the denominators. Main important manaki fifth question say fifth main important. See, rationalize the denominator. First 1 by root 7. Rationalize the denominator అంటే into denominator తోనే మనము మళ్ళీ multiply చేయాలి. So here rationalize it. See, root 7 into 1 root 7 by root 7 into root 7 whole square. Square root cancel, then root 7 by 7. This is the rationalization. Okay, next second one 1 by root 7 minus root 6. Now rationalize the denominator means here we have to change the symbol plus will be changed into negative, minus will be changed into plus. Then we can here minus they given, then we have to write plus. Okay, now root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6. Then we can write as root 7 plus root 6 into 1 root 7 plus root 6 by, it is in the form of root a minus root b into root a minus root b into root a plus root b is equal to 7 plus root 7 plus root 6 divided by, see, it is the formula, root a minus root b into root a plus root b is equal to a minus b. Then we can write root 7 plus root 6 by 1, that is nothing but root 7 plus root 6. This is the answer. Okay, right, rationalization after. Next, another one, third one, 1 by root 5 plus root 2. So after rationalization, here plus is there, we have to multiply with minus. Then root 5 minus root 2 by root 5 minus root 2. So after multiplication, then we are getting root 5 minus root 2 into 1 root 5 minus root 2 by, it is also in the form of root a plus root b into root a minus root b. Root 5 square minus root 2 square. Square root 2. So root 5 minus root 2 by 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. then root 5 minus root 2 by 3. This is the rationalization after we got this one. Okay, next another one. See here, rationalize 1 by root 5, 1 by root 7, 1 by root 7 minus 2. So here finally, see, this is our rationalization. Here minus is there, we have to multiply with plus. Then root 7 plus root 7 plus 2 root 7 plus 2 by root 7 plus 2. Okay, after rationalization, 7 root 7 plus 2 by root a minus b into root a plus b. Then root a square minus b square, that is equal to root 7 plus 2 by square root cancel, 7 minus 2 square 4. Then root 7 plus 2 by 7 minus 4 3. This is the rationalization of the irrationals. Okay, in this method we can solve easily. Okay, now understood everyone? Right. Now see this. See here we solved this. We solved the problems. Okay, in this exercise. See in the exercise 1.4, first we learnt which is irrational, which is rational. That's what we discussed. And after in the second question, we multiplied the irrational numbers. After multiplication of these irrational numbers, what we got? This is 1. Next, and finally, how to rationalize the denominator. See, after multiplication, in the question number 5, we discussed about the rationalizing the denominators. Okay, now, right. So, this is the rationalization of the denominators. Okay, if you understand this one, please everyone share these videos to your friends. Thank you everyone.